Good morning, class. We were discussing about e-business. Today, we are going to discuss about the resources which are required for a successful implementation of e-business. So, e-business is becoming very popular way of trading among various business firms. However, before conducting business electronically, the business firm must have necessary resources. The resources required for the successful implementation of e-commerce are. So here in this topic we are going to discuss what are the resources which are required for doing e-business. First requirement is computer hardware. The business enterprise must get a computer with proper speed and technology before starting a business. The computer must have a capacity to handle a big volume of business. ठीक है, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके पास एक अच्छा कंप्यूटर होना चाहिए जिसमें स्पीड भी प्रॉपरली हो और वो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी से अपडेट हो. Second one is technically qualified staff. Under e-commerce, all the business transactions are carried out through internet. To carry out trading, the businessman must have well qualified and capable workforce who are able to handle internet easily. They must be trained to handle sales order, processing processing order, handle inquiries, etc. The staff must be able to coordinate among the receipt of order, payment, and delivery of order. Clear? Second requirement is qualified staff. Like traditional business, you can't, if you have unqualified staff, then also you can work in traditional business. But if you want to do e-business, then you should have qualified staff because all the work is taking place through internet, and if the staff is not qualified in operate in computer and internet, then you will not be able to run the business. Third requirement is computerized system of receiving payment. For the success of e-commerce, the business enterprise need to develop an efficient system of receiving payment for the goods sold. For this, businessmen have to make arrangement with commercial bank and credit card agencies. Sufficient information should be given on the system so that customers can calculate accurate amount to be paid, and there must be automatic system of refunding if excess amount is received from the कस्टमर. ठीक है. अगले रिक्वायरमेंट है बेटा, आपके पास एक ऐसा सिस्टम होना चाहिए, कंप्यूटराइज्ड सिस्टम होना चाहिए जिसके थ्रू आप पेमेंट ले सको. ठीक है. जैसे ही कस्टमर किसी ऑर्डर को बुक कर रहा है, उसी समय आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम ने उसको प्राइस कैलकुलेट करके बता देना चाहिए. व्हाट विल बी द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ही इज ऑर्डरिंग. And if your system is able to do that, then you will have good computerized system of receiving payment. And mode of payment should also be clear with what mode of payment you will accept the payment. After that, fourth requirement is well designed website. The firm must develop a comprehensive website to communicate effectively with the customer and business partner. The website should be designed beautifully by using hyperlink, graphs, and other attractive pictures. The website must provide complete information to the customer regarding the price of the product, content, and use of product. You must have seen different website like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. They all are well designed websites or applications in which whatever you want to know you can फाइंड आउट इजीली. सो आपका वेबसाइट इस तरह डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए कि जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन कस्टमर चाह रहा है रिलेटेड टू प्रोडक्ट, वो उसको इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाए. इस तरह से आपको अपना वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन करना है. एंड फिफ्थ वन इज Telecommunication facilities. E-commerce will succeed only if adequate telephone lines and internet facilities are available and there is no interruption in these services. The prompt internet facility should be made available to the common man at the reasonable price. Otherwise, it will remain confined to rich people only. This problem is referred to as problem of digital divide. By making the use of internet popular in middle class and low income group, the digital divide can be bridged. ठीक है, और आपके पास प्रॉपर टेलीकम्युनिकेशन फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए. आपका जो नेट है, इंटरनेट फैसिलिटीज़ है, वो विदाउट इंटरप्शन वर्क करनी चाहिए, एज वेल एज योर टेलीफोन लाइन, सो दैट देर इज़ नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन वाइल गिविंग द ऑर्डर. ठीक है, जब भी ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं उस समय आपका जो नेट कनेक्शन है और टेलीफोन लाइन से वो सारी प्रॉपर तरीके से वर्क करना चाहिए. यदि ये वर्किंग नहीं हो रही है, then we will not be able to do e-business. So these were some common resources which are required to run a e-business. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.